Since the rate of teenage pregnancy continues to be alarming in Westnile region, Prettier project, in line with the prevention and response to teenage pregnancy through life skills, income, and formal education re-entry, has registered success in some parts of Madiokolo and Zombo district, in which the rate of teenage pregnancy is high. The evaluation forum took place on Wednesday, 11th of December 2024 in Arua district with different stakeholders such as consortium partners like Rice Westnile, Palm Corps, Space among others, government representatives, cultural and faith-based leaders, participants among others, discussing some of the achievements and pending challenges. Kelly Tom Gladys, consortium program manager, says in the 2 years, they have seen 78% improvement from parents towards supporting education of their children.
In the 2 years implementation, the training, we have seen, I think 78%. Parents have tried to portray positive attitudes towards supporting the education of their children. So it is a bit the laxity, and we have to remind them and enforce some of the policies. Where Pretty has left, we supported the sub-counties to develop some of the resolutions, which the councils have approved them, which are all to ensure parents are to take charge. If we talk about the night discos, who are to take charge? Parents. If you talk about the night markets, unregulated night markets, when you go to Madiokolo at 7 at the road, when you drive to Zombo, at 7, 8, there are night markets everywhere.
Whereas Anne-Wolf Tracy, a pupil from Pakada Primary School in Zombo district, laments by saying, as the pupils from the school, they have seen great changes in terms of supporting girl child education.
When Prettier project came in Pakada Primary School, we realized the following benefits in the school. 1. Reduced rates of teenage pregnancy. 2. Reduced the rates of dropout. 3. Reduced the rates of absenteeism through the following activities: drama, MDD, poems, and so very many others.
Meanwhile, Ochaya Vincent, Prime Minister for Kerala Kingdom, encourages the various stakeholders to collaborate and work on the foundation laid by Prettier project.
We're not going to depend on Prettier, but we're going to depend on what Prettier has told us. Sure. Because our community must continue living without Prettier. That's why our role as cultural leaders is to continue building what Prettier has done. Together with the cultural, with the government, property system, the local government, and everybody in the church, we're going to continue. But should it also come back, we as a local people say that there are areas of intervention is that can we use our cultural space, our cultural resources to continue building? For example, can we start doing crafts?
He further urges parents to produce a number of children they can be able to take responsibility of.
For us as a cultural institution, we tell people that have the amount of children you can pay school fees for, you can buy them clothes for Christmas, but make sure these kids don't go and beg. Because when they beg, it reflects back on you as a parent. And I'm glad that lately, I've seen people now, I've seen a number of children have started reducing. The cases of childbirth among the elderly has reduced by the way.
Isan Tumwa, resident district commissioner for Madiokolo, highlights on the relationship between poverty and teenage pregnancy. As a result, encourages public to fight poverty in their societies.
I see a very, very close relationship between poverty and teenage pregnancy. Children from rich families are not part of this problem. So why don't we put all our effort in eradicating poverty? Because indirectly, when everybody is rich, we will not have these issues. And unfortunately, all the government programs that are supposed to be helping our people to get out of poverty, many people don't support them. And at the end of the day, people remain poor and we go back to the same circle.
Koma Stephen, Acting Commissioner, District Inspection Minister of Local Government, urges parents to give time to their children.
How do we help these young learners? Really at family level, if we are unable to sit together and have the Luos called Kachake Makili If we are unable to sit and talk to our children, then there's a problem. If I'm a daddy, I'm always coming beyond midnight. In the morning, the children have gone to school. By the time I'm coming, they are asleep. They will even start to doubt whether I'm their dad. Eh? Saturday, Sunday, I cannot go even to church with them. I don't have time for them. That is unfair.
Prettier project has been 2 years project since 2022 and final concluding this year 2024, implemented with the aim of preventing and responding to teenage pregnancy through life skills, income and educational re-entry with the help of consortium partners such as Rice Westnile, Palm Corps, Space among others. Orak Benson Pastore, Westnile Television Nilecast.